Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get verified on Roblox without ID card. So as you can see, it's asking for me to verify my age. So if you don't have ID card and you want to verify your Roblox account, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first of all, let me show you again that it's not verified. So to verify it, first of all, open this link. You can find this link in comment, pin comment. Now go to profiles, copy your profile ID. Then go to this link, paste the user ID, then copy key, click on it, paste the key, open voice chat. Now right click, open the incept element, go to networks, press Ctrl plus R, you will get this voice, right click, copy bush, then cancel it, close the page. Now as you can see, the process has started, so you need to wait until it's complete 100%. Now as you can see, it's 100% complete. Now you can go to your profile. Now open the setting. Now let me open the setting and show you that my age is verified now. Here we go. Now as you can see, age verified. So make sure that guys you leave a like and comment. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. So hope this video helps you to get verified. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Roblox tips. See you.